Hello guys! Today's topic is all about the solar system. So let's get started. To start off, we will see the sun. Nicholas Copernicus proposed the idea of the solar system and was the one who said the sun is the center of the universe. But it was the center of our own solar system. Nicholas also wrote a book called On the Revolution of the Celestial Spheres, written in Latin and published in 1543. The Romans named the sun from the word sol. The sun is 4.603 billion years old and was created from a cloud of dust. All of the solar system was also created by a cloud of dust. Next up, Mercury. Galileo Galilei discovered Mercury through a telescope. Some say ancient Greeks knew the planet as Hermes, while ancient Romans named it Mercury. Mercury is 4.503 billion years old. On to Venus. Venus was discovered by again Galileo Galilei. He was the first to have an accurate sighting of Venus. Recently, scientists have discovered phosphine gas on Venus, determining that there could be life on Venus. Good job, scientists. Venus is 4.503 billion years old. Now, Earth. Earth is the planet we live in, inhabited by animals, humans, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and much, much more. Earth is unique as we are. The Earth is much older than Venus and Mercury. The Earth is 4.543 billion years old. Next up, Mars. Galileo Galilei discovered Mars in 1610. It is named after the Roman god of war. Mars is 4.603 billion years old. Scientists say that there was life on Mars due to the fact there is water on Mars. Who knows, we might live on Mars. We are halfway there. Jupiter was also discovered by Galileo Galilei. Man, this guy's on fire. Jupiter was named after the king of the Roman gods. Jupiter is also 4.503 billion years old. As we know, Jupiter is a gas planet and is separated from Mars by the asteroid belt. On to Saturn. Saturn was also discovered, well, you guessed it, Galileo Galilei. He also might have sighted Saturn's two moons. Kronos, the god of harvest and time, named Saturn. Saturn is also 4.503 billion years old. Now, Uranus. William Herschel discovered Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system. As well as lying on its side, it is 4.503 billion years old. Now, the last planet of the solar system, Neptune. Neptune is 4.503 billion years old. Man, just count how much times I say 4.503 billion years old and write in the comments below. And was discovered by, if you guessed it, yep, Galileo Galilei. Man, this guy deserves his own video. Anyway, Neptune is, drumroll please, named after Neptune, Roman god of the sea. Anyways, that's it. Smash that like button and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!